Hey guys, I'm doing this video for a challenge for the flipping arena over at brokenbrains.com. It was a challenge to do a Balisong related video that was silly in some sort of way. So actually, a little while ago I got some footage of where Balisongs come from, and I thought that'd be a perfect time to put it into the challenge. So just keep in mind before you post your comments that this is supposed to be silly. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it.